Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a hook in golf irons, updated. Close your stance, weaken your grip slightly, and focus on striking the ball with a square club face through impact. Practice with half swings to groove the new motion, then gradually increase length while keeping weight transfer toward your lead foot. Use alignment sticks and slow motion video to monitor adjustments. Commit to repetition for consistent results. Warm up with short swings to feel changes before moving to full shots, and keep a calm rhythm throughout each rep. Focus on a neutral ball position and light grip pressure that allows the wrists to release without flipping. Use a training aid or towel under your armpit to maintain connection and prevent overactive hands. Track progress with video and small increments to avoid creating new faults while correcting the hook. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tips coming your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to enjoy a cleaner ride after practice sessions and stops between rounds. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Start with impact-focused drills that encourage a square face and inside-out path rather than an exaggerated outside-in motion. Use 2 alignment sticks, one for target line and one for swing plane to guide your takeaway and follow through. Perform slow motion swings and impact bag reps to groove timing and release, then test with short irons before moving to longer clubs. Keep sessions brief and repeatable to build reliable muscle memory over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.